Hi and welcome to Madlan. You're about to watch a video created for students by students. Today we are going to show you the overview of your dashboard. If you haven't already watched the video 1, how to log into Madlan, watch it now. On the left of your dashboard, you will see the Madlan logo. Whenever you click that, it will always bring you back to the app list. You will also see the idea board, mind map, and the app list on the left sidebar. To the right of the Madlan logo, you will see 3 lines, which are actually called a hamburger. This allows you to minimize the sidebar. On the right hand side, you will see a magnifying glass where you can search through your apps, once you have multiple apps to view. Next to the search icon, you will see a green phone with a star in the middle. This is the App Store where you can preview apps that you and other students have created. Next to the Mad Store icon is a bell icon where you can view all your notifications. The question mark icon is where you can get answers to questions that you may have about Madlan. If you click on your name at the top right, your school and email address will pop up. This is your profile page. You can reset your password from here as well. Don't forget to log out of your account before you close your browser or leave your computer.